since Google Play Console have changed their billing version requirement. We will have to upload our app with billing version higher than 4. So today we will set up billing version 6 for Unreal Engine Launcher version. This video also works for source Unreal Engine. First you will have to go to directory where Unreal Engine installed. Once you are inside Unreal Engine installed directory, you can see that we have default billing version 3. However, we will soon change that to version 6. First, download ye version 6 zip file from link in description. After you successfully download ye billing version 6 zip file, extract zip file, you will see 3 folders, then copy extracted folders. Then paste that copied folder inside Unreal Engine directory shown in video. You have to click Replace to remove old billing version 4 file. This process will add new billing version 6 file in your Unreal Engine. Now our billing version conversion is complete. We can check our file in Notepad and see that our billing version is now 6. We can now package our project app in Unreal Engine, and after project package is complete we can see inside our project Gradle that our billing version is 6. We can click Manifest and see that our billing version is now 6. Hence we can now upload our project in Google Play with version 6 billing as per Google Play Console requirement. Thank you for watching.